Hello everyone, I'm Pramod from Indian English speaking class Tariyari Karaka Jaunpur, Uttar Pradesh. So guys, in today's video once again you all are welcome, and in today's guys I hope that you all are feeling well at this time. I know that the problems is going on at this time, that there is the lockdowns running for a long time in our country, but still I hope that you all are enjoying at your home by watching my videos and you are learning by online. If you are learning any other language or whether you are learning any other subject, there is no matter at all, but you are entertaining yourself at all, right? So in today's video guys, I am going to tell my favorite games, that what my favorite game actually, and that is speech you have to listen carefully, and that can really help you that how can improve your English language, right? So guys, by listening English also it is very simple to learn English language at this time, right? So guys, what I am speaking at this time, this is because of my hard work, as I already told you that guys, practice make man perfect. Practice make man perfect means if you are practicing daily, that can help you that you can improve your language as soon as possible, right? And main things, one more things and very special things I want to tell you guys, that if you want to learn this language guys, you first of all have to make your concentration properly, and you have to just realize that which is the best channel to you to grow your English, right? To improve your English, right? So on my channel guys, what I am telling you, I am just trying to give you the general conversations, question answers every day, that can help you to start your basic knowledge of English at this time, right? So just you have to subscribe on my channel. If you're first coming on my website, on my channel, you have to subscribe my channel, and you have to watch my daily videos, and you have to just like and share these videos to other students also who are interested to learn this language. Alright, so in today's video, as I told you that guys, I am going to tell you my favorite games of my life, and overall just I want to start at this time. Alright, so guys, I want to tell you that my favorite game is cricket actually, and normally I like volleyball playing also, but my favorite game is cricket actually. Alright, since my childhood when I started playing some game, that was the cricket actually, which I started in since my life actually. Okay, as you know well that I especially belong from those area which is very rural area actually, and my district is Jaunpur, I think you know well, and it's nearby Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh actually, right? So I am especially belonging from the rural area where there is lot of grounds for the playing actually, and during the summer season actually lot of fields are very blank actually, there is no crops at all, so that's why we get say long pitches to play the cricket at all, right? And since my childhood I started playing cricket actually, and I was very interesting to play the cricket, and in the starting I wanted to always get the bats first of all actually, right? And when I started doing bowling actually, that was also really interesting for me. And guys, I want to tell you that I was a good fielder, means I was also catching a good catch in the tournament actually, because I played some tournament also in the group of my villages areas people who were the group overall age labels player of cricket actually, they were always playing with me. So guys, whenever I started playing cricket actually, at that time I always was interesting to play the bats first of all, whether even losing the toss, there is no matter at all, but I always wanted to play the bats first of all, right? But whenever I was getting the chances, I was playing single and double during the batting time actually, and when I was doing the fielding actually, at that time I always standing on the short place actually, and where the dangerous balls were coming by beating from the batsman actually. Alright, because I was always excited to do that job actually, which was really surprising and which was very different to do the simple people actually. Okay, so I always wanted to set up my overall views of my point in front of the people who were listening me, or whether they are watching me actually in a different manner at all. Alright, so I always wanted to become a different person among all the group of my people nearby my villages actually, so which gave me the success to speak this language at this time. Also, I hope, I think, I feel this always, that this was the helpful to me to learn this language very soon. And as I am speaking at this time, guys, I think you can understand that what the language I have today, basis of that I'm working somewhere, anywhere in all over the India, and I having some experience of other domestic and international companies also from the Noida, Delhi and Mumbai also, right? So guys, those things which given me the experience of life, and that always taught me that how and why should we start a different work in our life, right? So really guys, I like cricket match very much, and I'm very much interesting about the cricket. And now I'm nearly overall old, 35 years old actually. And today, even if I get the times, I always play cricket in the group of my villages people actually. And sometimes people call me also to play the tournament matches also somewhere in the location of our nearby places. All right. So overall guys, and volleyball also I play sometimes, but there is very few person who are interesting for the volleyball matches. Okay. But in today's condition guys, I think most of the people liking playing hand drum in cricket actually, because we have very less pitches, less ground to play the cricket, because it takes a long pitch actually to start and to play the cricket actually, right? But I don't like hand drum playing. I always like playing cricket in a full pitch. Alright, that gives us a good experience of life, and it also gives me a different feeling actually. So that's why I always like the full pitch gaming of cricket. Alright, so overall guys, this was my experience of my cricket life, and according to this, I think you can also speak something about the cricket or about any other your favorite games, whatever is your favorite game actually, and just you have to catch the points, and just you have to think in Hindi language about that, as I suggested you in my previous video, that how can you think over your speech and how can you speak something about your overall the topic, whatever topic you are selecting to speak in English language, right? So in today's video guys, it's the last I think, and I wanted to tell you guys, if you're just first time on my channel, you please just subscribe my channel and watch my whole videos, and every day you try to watch, and I'm sure that one day you will surely get the success of English language, and you will be also the good speaker of this language at all. It's my promise to you guys. But for that, what you have to do, you just have to continue with me. All right, so in today's video that's all, and meeting in the next video from the new topic of speech. And for that time period, thank you, have a nice day, bye bye.